Okay, let's move to the installation of OpenFOAM.com, the version that you find here. So you go here, download, you have binaries, whatever. So we want to go to the source, okay? We want to install from the source code. So here you can download the files. You have some instructions here. So just read it. And here you have the bottom build guide. So also additional page. You go here, some extra steps. But if you follow the previous installation, this one, if you think that the previous one was easy, this one will be much easier. We have already everything. So here you see that what is interesting that they go right ahead to compile everything, so sourcing everything, some phone system checks, whatever. But then they recommend you to install the binary version of Paraview. Okay, so in OpenSUSE or whatever you're using, you can get the binary one. Okay, you don't need to compile it. And as I mentioned, that version for OpenFOAM it has some specific plugins now for doing post processing, but most of the time you don't need that. Okay, so you are saving a lot of compiling time. But if you want to compile it, you have the instructions here, but this is the last step. So here we start directly from OpenFOAM. So let's go back to our OpenFOAM installation. Okay, so in my case I already download everything. Okay, I put it here, see that I have the files, I extract the files. So to download, remember here in the link you have where to download and how to extract, so you know how to extract those files. I put it there, and also I already modified my bash rc file. Here you see that I added my alias here. So this is advantage. So this is what I was telling you, that I like to work like this, because if you want to use this version, just source this one, and if you want to use this one, source this one. So you can have as many versions as you like living together of OpenFOAM or any other application when you do like this. So here I already put it, so do it also you, and now we can source it. So I go OF you are sourcing, and it's giving me a warning because I haven't compiled. So let's compile. So I type phone, and here, and just to compile is very simple, -J to compile in parallel using all options, and hopefully everything will go smooth from this point. Okay, so we'll start to look for all the files, everything, building everything. And here we need to wait a little bit more than the previous version, because this one, it has more libraries, more stuff, but it should be fine. So at this point, I think, let's see how long does it take, and see you later. So bye. Okay, so we're back. So in my case, the compilation went fine. So as you see, it takes some time. It's a little bit longer than the previous one. But as you did installation from OpenFOAM 8, this one is straightforward, nothing to do. Okay, so at this point we're ready to go. So see that it's telling you here, just you're missing Paraview. Okay, so we don't have Paraview, but you can. Okay, so actually, let me see which Paraview. So here, no Paraview. Okay, yeah, it's not. So Paraview, you don't have it, but you can install Paraview, the precompiled binary. So you can go here to just. Okay, let's do it. So we go CFD 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can install the precompiled binary, or you can install, or you can compile the one that comes with OpenFOAM. I won't compile it because it takes also a really long time. So I know it's okay if you go install this one. So see here that you have it, and you're going to start install the latest one that is specific for OpenSUSE, that you have everything. Okay, so you have all the libraries, and it comes with MPI support and Python support and everything. Okay, so we'll go check this, continue. So it's going to download some information. Okay, bam, bam, bam. So while it does that, let's check something else. So phone system. So you have these scripts here like system check. So everything is okay. Then there was another one that I don't recall. That after installation, you can go and phone installation test. Okay, so you go phone installation test, and it's telling you that everything is okay. Again, we can go nkdir -p and go phone user. Phone run, sorry, and you type run, and you are in your user directory. Okay, so let's go to the tutorials just to run a tutorial, but let's see if this one is done. So that one is done. Let me close here. So I go incompressible, icophone, cavity. Okay, so if I go block mesh, I go icophone, it's running. Then to visualize the solution, there are two ways. So you go pattern view. Okay, so it's launching the version now that you install. So you go here and you open system folder. You go open system, and here you open the control-dit. It will ask you the file. Okay, so you want OpenFOAM reader, and you have it there. The other action is just, you can go like touch case.phone. Okay, you create that empty file, and then pattern view, and in pattern view you open that. Okay, here you open this empty file, go apply, and you have it there. Okay, so this is your simulation. Everything is okay, so it's working fine, so nothing is strange. So let me clean here. So at this point we have a clean installation. So let me show you again. So at this point that we have two OpenFOAMs installed. Okay, so see that you have OpenFOAM 8 and OpenFOAM 2006, and the trick here is that in the bash RC you will need just to create this. Okay, add these two aliases. So if at one point you want to use one or the other, just go here, OF8, you use it, or you use the other one, type like this, and you're using the other one. Okay, as simple as that. So at this point we're done with this installation. I will give you this image, and the next video I'm going to show you just how to move the image. Okay, and that's all. I think we are done for the installation. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye.